Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a Fendi reveal. Now the first item is a handbag I had on my 2023 wish list, and the other item is something that I've been looking for a while, but they've never had it in stock. So I will have a story time with details, but let's get into the reveal. We're gonna start with this item. I purchased this from Nordstrom as they finally had my size, and this colorway is perfection. What I love about Colibris is they offer a variety of colors each season. They also have this great comfortable heel. There's two different heights, and I prefer the shorter, more thicker heel. I really struggle with taller heels. Also, I think they just help elevate an outfit. At this point, I have a pretty decent Colibri collection. Let me know if you would like to see more review. I can go over my collection and my thoughts. But I will tell you that I am a big Colibri fan. I think they are some of the most comfortable and chic designer shoes in my collection, which is why I keep buying multiple colorways. Now let's get into the reveal of this handbag. Some of you may have seen some sneak peeks of this handbag on Instagram, so be sure to follow me over there. So we have the dust bag. To reveal a mint green baguette. She's so pretty. I love this. So this is mint green with the gold hardware. Some of you may recall the mint green peekaboo. Now I have that one. These are both from the same collection. However, I felt that they were different enough that I could justify having both. I think this is beautiful with the silver and the pebbled leather with these details. And then you have this one. I think this is a little bit of a slightly like warmer, more saturated type of shade in the mint green, whereas this one pulls a little bit cooler with that pebbled and the silver pairing. I don't know, do you guys prefer silver or gold with your handbags? Now let me tell you a little bit of a story time when it came to why I picked this handbag. Obviously, I love mint green. I wanted a green handbag, and I think greens, just as much with my brown and beige, every shade is unique, and I've been looking for a while. Well, I've also been thinking about the peekaboo from the same collection. There was that petite peekaboo, the gold hardware, smooth leather with the mint green. That's been in my mind, but during that time I made a choice. It was either this handbag or that petite peekaboo with the gold hardware. I just really fell in love with all the details here that I decided, to go this way. But I still couldn't get more of that gold hardware with the mint green combo out of my mind. And so when the opportunity came up with this handbag, that I was like, it makes perfect sense. And so some of you know that I work in e-commerce. I used to work for the company's Rue La La group. They do the websites like Gilt.com, Shop Premium Outlets, and Gilt.com. Well, this handbag was on Gilt.com. And so happily they have some brands like Fendi on there. So of course I checked it out, and lo and behold, they had this handbag. I saved over $1,500 buying this handbag on Gilt.com. Now I wanted to break it down for you guys. So this Fendi baguette, brand new, is $35.90. plus the shipping and tax in Chicago of $250. That's like a total of $38.40. Now on Gilt.com, they had this listed and $2,100 in the shopping cart, and then with tax of $215, that was a total of $23.15. So I saved over $1,500 by going through the Gilt.com experience. Now for me, I forego the store experience, which I do love. However, I've had plenty of Fendi in-store experience with my essay, so I was good there, especially if I'm saving over $1,500 for a baguette in a color that I love. So that was like really the big one that did it for me. Last, I'm going to say I had this, and this strap U in this like beige with the more white combo. It looks amazing with this. I really am excited to give this baguette a different look, and it didn't exactly look great with this peekaboo. You could still pull it off, but I think with the handle, so to me it gave me more versatility. This combination, having the mint green, works so well in my wardrobe. I have a lot of beige, browns, creamy whites, so I think I'll get a lot of use out of this handbag. I'm excited to have more of a everyday casual bag, so couldn't be more thrilled. Okay guys, well let me know what you think of my latest purchases. What do you think of the Calibre pumps? Let me know if you'd love to see a review video. Happy to do that. And also, what do you think of my green handbag? I think it's great. I love, like I said, you can't go wrong with this mint green shade, and this is a seasonal color, so again, had to grab it if I really wanted this in my collection. All right guys, I will talk to you in my next video. Take care.